Hopefully everyone's having an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world. My name is EQ. Welcome to Alchemy Meta. Hopefully you're as excited as I am about our private alpha mint, which is going to be going on tomorrow, July 7th. This is going to be our first mint for Meta Mystic Superheroes, and this is going to be the first way that you can finally get access to our utility, aka our staking rewards, and the ability to get to the other rewards, like our Crypto Academy access with Alchemy Meta. Some people are going to be winning lifetime access. Some people are going to be winning 12 character airdrops. There's a whole bunch of stuff going on. So make sure to go join the Meta Mystic Superheroes Discord so you can stay up to date with all the latest in the information. Now, in preparation for our mint tomorrow, this video is going to help everyone through the process on how to get your Mystic, how to claim your rewards, how to add Mystic to Metamask. So before we get into it, if you could take a second to throw a like on this video, subscribe to their YouTube channel, that'd be greatly appreciated. And if you have any questions throughout this video, please make sure to drop them in the comment section. I'll be more than happy to answer them. So this is the homepage for Meta Mystic Superheroes. This is what our updated website is looking like. You can see the time left. This isn't the exact time we're going to be releasing that in the alpha, but we are within the last 48 hours before mint. So the first question everyone is going to have is, how would I mint my Mystic characters? If you haven't created your Metamask wallet or moved Matic to Metamask, check out one of these videos I'm going to be posting above, and they're also going to be in the description. They will help you add Metamask and add Matic so that you can actually purchase one of the Meta Mystic Superheroes. On mint date, the website is going to look something like this, and you're going to see a mint now button. The first thing I'm going to do when I'm on this site is connect my wallet. Once my wallet is connected, I can go to mint now, choose how many characters I want, let's say 2 for the example, press mint, go through the transaction process, and when I actually verify the transaction, I'll be able to go over to the staking page, and it's going to look something along the lines of this. Right when you go to the staking page, you'll be able to see how many tokens you're able to claim. And here are some of the characters that I have unstaked, as well as some that I do have staked. So this is the overall breakdown. These are the characters that I'm actually earning money off of, and these are the characters that I am not earning money off of just yet. So let's say we're going down this list of characters we want to stake. We're going to go down to like a tier 5 or a tier 6 character, so we can earn more rewards. Remember, the higher the tier, the more rewards you're earning through our rewards pool. So once I find, let's say, a tier 4 character, I can click stake. Through my wallet, I'll confirm, and I will mint this. Basically, what this process is doing is locking the NFT to the actual website. Keep in mind, when you have these NFTs staked, you won't be able to view them on OpenSea. The only time you're going to be able to view them on a third-party marketplace or a secondary marketplace is if the actual NFT is unstaked. So it takes a second to load. Sometimes you got to remember this is blockchain technology. So now we have our tier 4 character below. Under the staking mystics, keep in mind, if you don't see the character right away when you hit the stake button, you might have to refresh it a couple times. Sometimes this happens when the blockchain is very busy and congested. So it just takes a little bit longer to process and verify the actual ownership and do those things on the back end through the blockchain to actually verify and make sure that you do own the contract and that you will start to receive those staking rewards. And unstaking is just as easy. If I wanted to unstake this character, I can hit the unstake button, go through this process and unstake the character, confirm that on my Metamask wallet. If you get stuck and let's say we unstake the character like we did now and we don't see that it moved over to the unstaking right away, just make sure that the contract interaction did actually go through. Make sure you don't see a failed interaction. If the contract fails, that means the transaction was not approved. So definitely go and make sure that the transaction is approved. As you can see, when I hit refresh, we went back to the 3 characters that we started out with, so that other character is officially unstaked. Now you'll notice that when I go up to the available to claim, I have a smaller balance now than I had when I first started filming the video. That's because I went through and was unstaking and staking characters and interacting with the contract. Sometimes when you're binding through the contract, it'll do auto claims. So this money has already moved into my Metamask wallet. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is go to your Metamask wallet and make sure that you actually have Mystic token available to view. So right now under my assets, I don't see anything of Mystic token, so I can go to import token. But before I do that, I'm going to go to the homepage of Meta Mystic Superheroes, and I'm going to copy this token address that you see here. This is going to be the official address, and this is what you want to put into MetaMask. This is also on our Discord. So if you go to the official links within our Discord, you'll find the contract address website as well as the contract address here. You can copy and paste this too. So we're going to copy this. We're going to go back to our MetaMask wallet. And when you go to assets, you're going to see don't see your token, import tokens. So, okay, I'm going to import my token. When I paste the address, it's going to automatically give you the token symbol and the decimal needed. Press add custom token. You can import those tokens. And now you're going to see your actual balance of Mystic tokens on your Metamask wallet. It's just as easy as that. So now I can see my Matic and my Mystic tokens. Now I'm going to go back to staking so that we can claim those rewards. And I'm going to hit claim. We're going to go through this process on MetaMask. We're going to verify the wallet and confirm with the signature and pay a little bit of gas fees. And keep in mind the Matic gas fees are insanely low compared to the Ethereum gas fees. So right now 0.03 Matic is probably like what, 1 or 2 cents compared to $20 all the way up to $200 or $300 on Ethereum. So now we're just going to wait for these Mystic tokens to be processed and moved into the wallet. Now, if you notice that a transaction is stalling, so this one, for example, hasn't gone through, it's been a little bit over a minute now, what you can do is press speed up. You can also increase the price even more if you want. Now, for me, I can go to aggressive, for example, and it's still 0.03. It's still insanely cheap, but you can speed up this, and basically what that's going to do is skip the line. So this transaction is going to pretty much automatically process when I do that. You can see that it already is claiming while I was talking. So when I go back to the assets, we're going to see that the balance of Mystic is going to be updated, and the website, once this actually loads through, is going to show once the next reward block goes through, we can see that this balance is updated and dropped, and we go to our MetaMask wallet and we can officially check and see that we did in fact receive those Mystic tokens, which we did. And it's as simple as that when you're actually earning rewards. In the next video, we're going to be going over the OpenSea aspects of the Meta Mystic superheroes, how you can view your NFT, how you can post it for sale, how you can transfer it to someone else, how you can verify it, even how you can add those NFTs to your Metamask wallet from your mobile device. Private mint for the Meta Mystic superheroes is going to be just tomorrow. Private mint for the Meta Mystic superheroes is going to start tomorrow on July 7th. If you want access to an alpha roll, make sure to go join the Discord group and take advantage of the many ways that we're offering whitelist spots. If you found anything useful in this video, please make sure to throw a like and follow us if you're not already. And hopefully you have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, depending on wherever you're tuning in the world.